So a big storm is coming. Yep. And we're gonna go to camp to go get our boat. So it won't go flood. And then we're gonna go to camp. So I can't make a video. So we're going to storm, like 80 miles per hour wind. And the waves are gonna get real high and it's gonna flood, not over here but somewhere else by Snake River, if you guys know Snake River right now. So yeah, we're going to have a flood. First time, 80 miles per hour wind. Let's see, it's already getting bad. It's probably 50 miles per hour wind right now. Ooh. People are packing up to go to Lexington. So we can maybe I'm gonna my iPad's gonna be on patrol. So I hope you guys have a great day. Hope you guys are watching this. I'll make another video if I make it back home. Okay? Make sure you guys like and subscribe.